an ecosystem approach to entrepreneurship support. That is how we spark the shift to clean, affordable cooking for all. That is the future we are building with Sea Clean Cooking. In a thriving entrepreneurial ecosystem, people do more than run their businesses. They become part of a larger network where ideas, actors, and resources come together to shape markets. Entrepreneurs like them, wherever they are, whatever their background. They are the ones turning ideas into ventures.
What we're trying to do with building the local ecosystem is that it's strengthened from the bottom up, from the country itself, because the banks are not going anywhere. The entrepreneurs that live here, they're not going anywhere. The government isn't going anywhere. If we get everybody on board for the same mission, the same idea, and that's just strengthening a system where companies thrive and where people benefit from the solutions that they have.
At RVO, we work together with local partners to strengthen a wide variety of services, policies, and opportunities for growth and innovation in support of entrepreneurs. From practical group training to one-to-one mentorship and tailored guidance, we empower businesses to sharpen their models, strengthen operations, and unlock new market opportunities. It is all about connecting the right support at the right time.
As an entrepreneur, working in this clean cooking sector is very interesting. Every day we are working to change, to innovate, to create something new for the community.
We know that resilient markets need more than good products. They need smart investments to grow and scale. That is why we use public funds to lower costs, reduce risks, and create opportunities for private capital to step in. And the results are promising.
Biodigester technology is still a growing technology. I see a lot of opportunity in this business. In 5 years' time from now, we expect to be the leading company doing construction of biodigesters in Uganda and beyond.
Creating a favorable business environment is essential to scaling clean cooking solutions. This requires close collaboration with sector organizations, financial institutions, and government agencies to establish national standards and certification systems, ensuring that market and sector development are commercially sustainable and socially inclusive.
We want to make sure that the transition that we create is transformative and has an impact on the market.
Our goal is to foster innovation and collaboration by mobilizing leading actors to tackle existing challenges and build stronger, more inclusive markets for the future.